Welcome. In this short video I'm gonna show you how to change the threat detectors in Doom: The Dark Ages. So at first move to the settings, then the second tab will be user interface. Here you have scroll down a little bit, and as you can see we have here threat detector. There is 3 different options. The first one will be off. There is none of the detectors, that shows you the threats. The second option will be Parryable only. There appears a green arrow that shows you from which side the attack will income for you. And the third option will be on. It shows you all of the incoming attacks, the one you can parry by using your shield, and also the incoming attacks such as hits, shoots, kurwa,